Hi everyone, Aspire Vape CEO here. Today we're going to take a look at the Feedlink Revvo Kit. On the back side, you'll notice up top it says contents, and on the lower portion you'll notice a gold sticker. The gold sticker along with the box next to it says scratch and check is made for you to verify and make sure your product is authentic. So you can head on over to www.aspirevapeo.com and type in the numbers you uncover below the scratch section to make sure your product is authentic. And also, if you move this box left to right, you'll notice the font on the word genuine will increase and decrease in size, which is a quick way to make sure your product is authentic as well. When you open the box, first you'll see the Aspire Feedlink. So let's take this out right now. Next, you'll see backup O-rings, Aspire battery safety card, an important advice card, a warranty card, and finally we have the user manual. Then we have the Aspire Revvo Boost Tank. It comes to backup glass. And it also comes to backup ARC, which is the Aspire radial coil. The Feedlink features a 510 threading with a gold pin. This makes for great connectivity and also has a very smooth finish where the tank meets the top of this device. Since the Feedlink is a Squonker mod, you'll notice on the bottom of this device there's two screws. First one is to a plastic capsule, and once you take this capsule apart, you'll notice the Squonker tube will come out. You easily unscrew the top metal part, and you'll notice the tube that feeds into it. The tube is made out of silicone, so it is very flexible and easy for you to fill up the tank as you're squeezing the e-juice up to the tank. Once you're ready, pick your e-juice and you can start filling up. Once you get it nice and tight, you can put it back in its plastic cover and get it ready to insert back in. All it is a very simple twist right there on the bottom to make sure it's locked in. Now we're going to take a look at the Aspire Revvo Boost, which is essentially a smaller version of the Revvo Tank, and it also doesn't feature the top fill pump because now that this is a Squonker device, it fills in from the bottom. It does use the same ARC coils though, however. We always recommend to put a little bit of e-juice, flip the ARC over and just pour a little bit so it's not completely dry. And then you can go ahead and install it. Goes in fairly easy. Put in the top screw for that. And the top portion of the boost. See, the 510 threading has a hole in it, which allows the e-juice to come through into the tank to this hole. Once you screw it down, both ends will connect. Next step, make sure you have a good 18650 battery. We recommend using the Aspire 2600 mAh. Once you open the cap, you can move forward and insert your battery. Once you screw it in, you are pretty much ready to go. And you can move forward and squeeze the bottom of your Squonker to allow juice to feed into the top. And as you can see from the top right here, you'll notice it bubbling up as you give it a few squeezes. Now you'll notice the bottom of the tank is filled up. Just flip it over Give it about a minute or so to really soak in any remainder part of the cotton that hasn't been soaked up. You can pulse it just to see that it's primed and it's not giving out any dry hits. Now you can screw on the top cap and you're ready to go. The Revvo Boost Tank has an ultra convenient bottom feed squonk pin system. The tank itself holds 2 mLs and it's TPD compliant. However, the silicone tube at the bottom does hold up to 7 milliliters. It allows for 10 seconds of continuous firing time. The wattage range is between 70 and 80 watts. It is a single battery 18650. The ARC coil is the same that goes into the regular Revvo tank. Quality was a main focus when it came to the Feedlink. So you could find gold plating on the 510 pin. The e-liquid bottle is made out of silicone. The tank material is a Pyrex glass. The drip cap is Delrin. As far as the finish goes for the plates, it is a very strong resin plastic shell. And ultimately, the device itself is a zinc alloy. So it is a very sturdy, strong, and ergonomic body. Since the Revvo Boost Tank uses the ARC as well, you'll find that the coil resistance is 0.1 ohm to 0.14 ohm, and it has a little bit of a floating range. But it's also important to mention that you should be flipping your device over time to time to allow the cotton to be soaked up with e-juice. And aside from that, we want you to drop a comment below and let us know what you think, or visit our website at aspirevapeco.com. Thank you very much.